how deep love and connection can change your life forever. Theme: a motivational journey of emotional and physical intimacy, purpose, and healing. Have you ever wondered, what makes a love story last forever? What makes someone feel deeply seen, safe, and loved? It's not just hugs, not just kisses. It's something deeper. It's understanding. It's connection. It's the care you give every single day. Welcome, brave soul. Welcome to a journey of real love, of healing, of becoming the best version of yourself, for you and for the person you love. Chapter 1. Real connection begins in the heart. We all want love, but real love is more than what we see in movies. It's about knowing what makes your partner smile and what makes them cry. Ask them, what makes you feel safe? What do you need to feel loved? These questions change everything, because love is not